Every night at precisely 2 o'clock, the old typewriter in Mr. Gable's study came to life. Its keys clacked in the darkness, echoing through the silent house like whispers from another time. Mr. Gable, once a celebrated novelist, hadn't touched the machine in years. Yet, each morning a fresh sheet of paper awaited him, filled with cryptic messages typed in neat, deliberate lines. They were never signed, but the words hinted at secret meetings, hidden doors, and codes only the cleverest could break. The first message read, "Look behind the clock." Curious, he did, and found a faded photograph of a stranger in a trench coat, staring back with unreadable eyes. The next night's note said, "Beneath the floorboard, third from the wall." He pried it open carefully and unearthed a tiny brass key, cold and heavy in his palm. Night after night, the messages continued, leading him on a silent, thrilling hunt through his own home. Mr. Gable followed each instruction, heart pounding with a mix of fear and excitement, piecing together a puzzle left by someone unseen, someone who knew him well. As dawn broke after the 7th message, the typewriter fell silent. The final note simply read, "You are ready." Mr. Gable smiled, understanding at last the secret he had been chosen to uncover.